Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be flipped up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have fold-out cup holders, as well as a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip information, your driver assistance settings, your fuel economy, eco coach with a digital speedometer again, comm screen. Then you can also go into some of your other settings and controls. But then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls, as well as your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center infotainment screen, which is radio series and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features that are in your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C with this button up here, opening the glove box or the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt and USB and USB-C here, as well as a shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or anything else like that. And then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders, as well as your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you also have another lockable compartment underneath there for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.